Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Monday, March 31st, and I'm going to be analyzing the US dollar Swiss. If you haven't done so already, definitely do check out my free Discord channel, which is linked down here in the corner at the end of the video. Also, don't forget to check out my website, fxpipcollector.com, if you'd like to gain access to all these benefits listed below and more. So, anyways, the US dollar Swiss did bounce off a fib level and make a really nice impulsive move up. Based on the US dollar index, I do think we are going to go up, but I do still think this is likely just a correction. I think this is probably an ABC. It probably will go up and give us that break of structure, but it might just end up rejecting structure and end up continuing the downtrend. We have to keep in mind that the trend is definitely down on the higher time frames, but we just hit the 50%. So it would make a lot of sense for this to go up, make a decent pullback, maybe break structure, attracting a lot of buyers before the market potentially pushes down again, because I still think the trend is going to continue down based on the dollar index and the higher time frames. So taking it down to the 1 hour time frame, I think there's a good chance that this is over the next day or so going to make an uptrend, which probably will break this structure, being likely an a B, and a C correction to the higher time frame downtrend like I was just showing on the daily. So anyways, don't forget to like and subscribe. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.